In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Selleramp for retail arbitrage. By the end, you'll know exactly how to check a product's profitability on Amazon using the Selleramp SAS extension, and you'll avoid the most common mistakes that lead to inaccurate numbers. Start on the Amazon product page for the item you're considering. With the page open, launch the Selleramp extension. Give it a second to load, then scroll until you find the ROI panel, sometimes labeled the Profit Calculator. This is the heart of the analysis. Selleramp will calculate your return on investment instantly based on the information you enter here, so accuracy matters. Begin with your buy cost. Type in what you'll actually pay to acquire the item, including the product cost and any shipping to get it to you. If you have discounts, coupons, or cashback you're counting on, reflect those as well. A handy tip: Selleramp lets you type simple math right into the field, so you can enter something like 10 plus 2 1 to represent a price, shipping, and discount, and it will compute it for you. Next, set your selling price. You can use the current buy box price if you plan to compete there, or enter the price you realistically expect to sell at. As soon as you update the selling price, the ROI numbers will refresh automatically. Make sure the price you choose matches the condition you'll sell in and the fulfillment method you'll use. Now add every extra cost that applies to this product. Include any prep fees for labeling or polybags, the FBA fees or shipping to the fulfillment center, and VAT if it's relevant to your region. Entering these charges ensures the ROI you see reflects your true take-home profit, not an optimistic guess. With all inputs in place, read your results. You'll see the ROI percentage, profit per unit, and margin percentage. ROI shows how much you're making relative to your cost, while margin shows profit as a share of the selling price. For context, the simple ROI formula is profit divided by cost multiplied by 100. If your total cost is $10 and your profit is $5, your ROI is 50%. As a quick rule of thumb for flips, an ROI of 30% or more is generally good, 50% or more is strong, and under 20% can be risky. Your targets may vary, but use these benchmarks to guide decisions. That's it. Repeat this process for each product, and remember, the more precise your inputs, the more reliable your profits will be.